outside. People are shoveling.
Hey guys! So it is snowing in Clarksville, Tennessee. This is like the second day it has snowed. Is that Tank over there or no? I can't tell. Look, what do you think, Jace man? We're about to go sledding.
I got one.
It is so cold. Yeah. Go Tank while I'm filming. Good job. Somebody push me.
Yeah.
It's like a train station over here. No, I'm not joking. It's like a train station. Bro.
I'm about to go. All right. Wait a second. Whoa. This one is. Yeah. Whoa. This one's faster. Whoa. That one's faster. That was fun. I just went sledding. Now I'm going up the hill. That was really fun, guys. Kaylin, you want to ride with me?
Are you ride one of my sleds? Since you have a YouTube channel? Let you ride it.
KK, I dare you to go down the slide. That one?
No.
How cold is it out here?
For you, yeah,
2 degrees.
2 degrees?
You know.
I know Tank is not going to go down the slide.
Wait,
Oh,
go down the slide.
you are about to freeze. Oh my gosh.
It's slippery though. It's not no fun.
Oh my goodness. So I am walking back to the house right now. I'm going to trade out with Barry because we didn't want Jace man out here for too long because it is like bone chilling cold. Snow got in my eye. So I'm going to go back and Barry is going to go to the park with Kaylin and Lane. And I'm going to stay inside where it's warm with Jace. Out. Gonna get some gas, go to the grocery store in case we, whoa, we just slid a little.
Right around the parking lots. Good stuff.
Oh my gosh. It's very icy out here, guys. We have ventured out because we needed to pick up a couple of groceries in case things do get really bad. I went to the grocery store the other day, but we still need a couple things. Lane is asleep. KK's way back there. Jace is getting fussy. Poor Barry had to go in. I want you guys to see how hard it's snowing. So we are parked. Food line. I don't know if y'all can see, but there are huge piles of snow from people shoveling. I mean, it's snowing pretty hard. This is the parking lot. KK, are you excited you'll be out of school again tomorrow?
Yeah.
Hey, Tank. Hey, Jace man. Hey, guys. It is day 2 of this snowstorm. It is still snowing too, by the way. Tank measured earlier. How much was it? Like 4 inches?
Yeah, let's just say 4 inches.
It was 3.
So, like
Now
3
it
and a
tastes
half.
like chicken.
So this will kind of give you guys an idea of how thick it is. We just opened this gate. Yeah, there's KK's ankle. Wow. So we're out here. We are about to build a snowman. Is it still snowing? This is crazy. Kaylin just made a little snow angel over here. Hi.
Hey.
More snow, huh?
Big. Yeah, I'm building one too.
Are we building a snowman family or what?
Contest.
Yeah, he's building the baby.
Oh, y'all are having a snowman contest? Okay.
Mama, you're my teammate.
So for reference, it is very, very, very cold out here. Very cold. I don't like cold weather. But the snow is beautiful, but cold. Let me see. That's a good one. So is that going to be your second layer?
No, I'm making it bigger.
Ah, okay. What are you working on, KK?
The second layer, but I forgot how.
It is so cold. Hey y'all, thanks for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you guys are staying nice and warm. Also, we'd like to give a shout out to our neighbor, James. Thanks for letting us use your sled.